So now after, if you wanted now this port login, then you come to settings, and this where you manage the users. So when you come to settings, you'll also fetch their profiles, and then you can create their profiles, so you can view those that are already there. And if you want them to log in, then you come to view login request, and then you can create the user, you can freeze, you can activate them, you can reset their password if they forgot, and you can also change their roles. So you can try any of these so that you have a feel of what happens with these different actions. Then once, for example, you want to give, you've allowed this person to log in, but you want to give him access to different blocks, these blocks you're seeing here. So what we do is you have to first view this user. So when you view this user, then you come to write, and then you choose blocks from which you want to give. So you can select students here, and then you choose what you want this person to see or to be able to work in. So you want to give him access to maybe adding students, and you also have a guide on the different details there. So we shall have this, and this will give we shall say student list and profile, and then you have a guide or a description of these different details, and when you try to to add, you'll be getting a notification there. So when I add, it will tell me whether the block already exists or not. And if I want to remove, I'll also be told that the block has been removed. So if I add it back, you can add or you can remove in case you don't want that person to access those rates. So briefly, that's how to allow these users to log in, and then when they log in, you'll be able to see their logs and login details there. So I'll not go there for today. So this is how you manage the users, and once you maybe the email changed of the user, so you'll still do the same thing. You come here to create, and on create here, we don't create that user again. Instead, what we do is we update the details, and the details can be the email, the role, and the gender, and the phone numbers. So thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and keep tuned to get the latest updates of the application.